Now let's get you this exclusive report from Badrinath, where rescue efforts right now are concentrated and anger continues to mount among stranded pilgrims who claim that there is no support from the state government.
Hundreds of pilgrims are waiting over here to be airlifted to Dehradun and to safer locations. These people have been waiting here for the last 10 days, and clearly with the limited resources of the Indian Air Force as well as of the other private operators who are engaged in the search and rescue operations, this queue of pilgrims just doesn't seem to end. In fact, if I give you the sense, this queue has been since the last 10 days, and over there you can see the IAF helipad from where the pilgrims are being evacuated rather. So batches of 25, about 50 sorties a day is what the IAF tells us. Still a long way to go. Still about 10,000 people here in Badrinath waiting, and this queue will continue till the entire lot of pilgrims over here is complete. And when we were speaking to pilgrims over here, they have been complaining of administration apathy, of the fact that they have been not given enough food, shelter and clothing. But that is now being taken care of with IAF sorties, getting some relief material. But the only thing the pilgrims here want is to go back home, and as soon as possible.
हमें बेहद दुख हुआ कि बद्री नारायण में आके 15 तारीख से लोग दर-बदर हो रहे हैं, जहां आज दिन तक ना डीसी यहां का पहुंचा, ना कोई एसडीएम पहुंचा और ना कोई यहां का एसएसपी पहुंचा। कोई नहीं पहुंचा। हाँ, कोई डिसिप्लिन नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं। जो ड्यूटी आर्मी वाले दे रहे हैं उनके सारे यात्रा चल रही है बस। और लोगों को खाने के लिए दरबदरी इतनी है, कहने की बात ही नहीं। और जहां पर ऐसे मांगने वाली हालत हो गई जैसे बैकर होता है यात्री। और इनको चाहिए था स्टेट के मुख्यमंत्री को कि वो आता और लोगों की देखता दुर्दशा क्या हो रही है। घर में बैठे ऑफिस में बैठे कह देता है कि हमने इतने जहाज लगाए हैं। इतना क्या किया? अगर उसने इतने जहाज लगाए होते तो ये पब्लिक दर-बदर नहीं होती। बच्चे छोटे छोटे बच्चे लेके, मेरे को तरस आता उन बहनों को देख के जिन बच्चे गोद में लिए, और मुख्यमंत्री यहाँ का सोया हुआ है।
बिल्कुल भी नहीं है उनके साथ, और यहाँ पर फंसे हुए हैं हम। यहाँ पर ये लोग लड़कियाँ सब फंसी हुई है, कोई प्रशासन नहीं है। कल का क्या भरोसा, क्या निकल जाएंगे? बच्चों के साल बर्बाद हो गए, क्या सरकार जिम्मेदार होगी? क्या बच्चे को रखो बीच में ऐसे हो?
सरकार भी बेकार है।
बच्चे को देखो ना कपड़ा ना कुछ,
घर पे बच्चे यार छोटे-छोटे हम।
Hundreds of pilgrims waiting here to be evacuated to safer locations. Still, the time has not yet come. In fact, what the official count for today is about 650 people evacuated, and at least 10,000 more stuck here in Badrinath, stranded. In fact, no road accessible here. Only the Indian Air Force and private choppers can take these people from here to safer areas. So clearly, these people wanting to be evacuated as soon as possible, and getting agitated about the fact that some people are not cooperating, the agencies are not cooperating. But clearly over here a sense of discontent, a sense of apathy towards the authorities here. But clearly the administration saying that they have limited resources, and they would in fact evacuate all of these people, but in the days to come. So the Air Force says there are at least 3-4 more days of flying, and all these pilgrims will be evacuated. In Badrinath with Pradeep Mane, Kashif Khusro for Times Now.